Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need essentials ready: paired Apple Watch, updated Watch OS, and your health details entered. First, open the iPhone Health app and confirm birth date, sex, weight, and resting heart rate. These influence zone calculations. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone and navigate to Workout. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the watch is near so settings sync. You're starting the process now. These steps ensure accurate personalized heart rate zones rather than generic estimates. Now configure the zones. In the Watch app, go to Workout and then Heart Rate Zones. You can pick Automatic to let Apple calculate zones, or choose Custom to enter your max heart rate, resting heart rate, or specify percent ranges. Enter values precisely. Use 1 BPM steps for max and resting HR, or whole percent values for each zone. Once you've adjusted ranges, tap Save and let the app sync to your watch. Make sure the watch reflects those ranges before you begin an intense session. Finish by testing. Start a short workout and watch the real-time zone indicator so you confirm values and sensor contact. If heart rate seems off, first tighten the band and retry. If issues persist, restart your Apple Watch and iPhone, then resync the Watch app. Only unpair and repair if necessary. Make sure Watch OS and iOS are updated. Finally, retake resting heart rate after a restful morning and revisit max HR about once per year to keep zones accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.